Welcome to RV Road Report, your ultimate stop for exploring the most stunning motorhomes and camper vans from around the world. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary, the Panoramic RV Van 540 motorhome, a perfect mix of rugged power, futuristic comfort, and pure travel freedom. In this vibrant blue beauty, you don't just travel, you live the road. Stick with us till the end, because what's inside this 4x4 powerhouse will blow your mind. Exterior front view. Take a look at that. Bold front fascia, sleek LED headlights, a wide grille, and that unmistakable Panoramic RV logo standing proud. The craftsmanship here screams premium. Every curve, every detail, perfectly balanced between elegance and adventure. You can instantly tell this is no ordinary camper. It's built for explorers who crave the open road but demand style and luxury at every stop. Top side view. Now, look up. The top view is a masterpiece of engineering. Fully equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, a compact satellite antenna, and a roof-mounted air conditioning unit. This machine is ready for complete off-grid adventures. It's not just travel-ready, it's self-sustaining. Whether you're camping by a lake or parking in the desert, this van has your back with clean energy and smart tech all built into its design. Backside view. At the back, the Panoramic RV Van 540 keeps practicality front and center at a heavy-duty spare tire mounted securely, and a cycle carrier smartly integrated for your biking adventures. It's that level of thoughtful detail that makes this model stand out. Every inch is used wisely, giving travelers freedom to bring their world with them. Side view. Now check this out. The side setup transforms this van into an instant outdoor lounge. A retractable awning tent, foldable chairs, a small table. Perfect for a sunset dinner or morning coffee by the beach. It's your home, your cafe, your peaceful corner under the open sky, all rolled into one dot. And that vibrant blue finish? It turns heads wherever it parks. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and it feels like the cockpit of a private jet. Ergonomic seats, dual LED displays, one for entertainment, the other for a rear-view camera feed that makes reversing a breeze. Smart steering, digital controls, and smooth transmission give you confidence on every road. The drive feels powerful, yet whisper silent, thanks to that refined 4x4 system under the hood. Sitting and sleeping area behind the cockpit. We step into the living and sleeping zone. The heart of this van. A modern sofa that easily transforms into a comfortable double bed, soft LED lighting, and premium fabric give it that luxury hotel vibe. This is where long journeys become stories, a place to rest, recharge, and wake up to new horizons every day. Kitchen. The kitchen area may be compact, but it's brilliantly designed. A stainless sink, two-burner stove, a small fridge, and clever storage compartments, every inch made to serve function without clutter. Cook your favorite meals on the go, because adventure tastes even better when you make it yourself. Washroom. Now, this is impressive. A fully functional washroom neatly tucked into this compact body. That you've got a mini sink, a smart water system, and a portable shower setup, all within reach. It's the definition of smart use of space, giving you the comfort of home, even miles away from it. And there you have it, the Panoramic RV Van 540 motorhome, a true symbol of luxury, technology, and mobility for the modern traveler. With its rugged long-body 4x4 wheels, top-tier interior, and versatile outdoor features, this beauty comes at just $78,000. That if you dream of freedom on wheels, this might just be your perfect match. Until next time, I'm your host from RV Road Report, reminding you to stay adventurous and keep exploring. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.